Welcome to Vinu Kids Corner.
A is for ambulance, racing to help. B is bulldozer, strong by itself.
C is for car that goes beep, beep, beep. D is dump truck with loads to keep.
E is excavator, dig, dig, dig. F is fire truck, loud and big.
G is garbage truck cleaning the street.
H is helicopter, up in the heat.
I is ice cream truck, jingle so sweet. J is jet ski, splashy and neat.
K is kayak on water so blue. L is lorry with cargo to move. M is motorcycle, zooms along. N is narrowboat, slow and long.
O is ocean liner, giant and grand. P is police car, helping the land.
Q is quad bike, bouncy and fun. R is rocket, ready to run.
S is submarine, deep in the sea. T is train, saying choo-choo with glee.
U is unicycle, balance just right. V is van, driving day and night.
W is warship, strong and wide. X is bedbook with sails that glide. Y is yacht on waves that gleam. Z is zeppelin,
Floating like a dream.
da 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 da.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your Vinu.